In order to block certain websites, first open your file explorer, then go to this PC, then your local disk C or the disk where your OS is installed. Now open Windows, then we are searching for System32. So for that I will hit S on my keyboard, and here we have System32. Now we are looking for the folder called drivers, so I click on a random one and then I hit D on my keyboard. So we have drivers over here. And finally we go to this etc folder. Now the file we want to change is called hosts. What happens is Windows will not allow us to change this file in this folder. So what we can do is hold Control on your keyboard and drag this file onto your desktop, or you can just copy and paste it in some other place of your liking. Once that is done, we right click on this file, choose open with, and we will open this with Notepad. You're gonna see a bunch of stuff over here. You can ignore all of these. So we scroll down to the bottom, and then what we want to write is 127.0.0.1 followed by one space and the website URL. For example, I will go youtube.com for now, and we save this with Control S, and we close this window. And once again, I want to hold down Control and drag this back, and we replace the file to the destination. If for some reason Windows asks for your permission, just click continue or hit S accordingly. Now we will test this out. We open our browser and we go to youtube.com. And voila, it does not open. Just so I can show you that it works on other websites, I will go to google.com, and it works as it should be. Now if you want to add multiple websites to your block list, we will open this again with our notepad, and we will add more. I will just copy this one over here, followed by google.com. hit Control S to save, cross it out, drag it back again, replace. Now we can see Google also does not work. Just to show you other websites are working, let's open ChatGPT for now, and it's working.